Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of toy stores. So let's take an example that you are a toy store owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your toy store business advertisement, and with those ads you are getting lots of entries and leads on daily basis. But you are unable to reply those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now, you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customers from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your toy store brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you're going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your toy store brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, Kids Toy. This is the Facebook lead ad form, Toys catalog form, and this is the form actually looks like. This is the toy store brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically a message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here along with the brochure link. So I'll just go to the form and let us just give the email address and fill up the details of the customer. And I'll just give the email as 𝗪𝗵𝘆25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith. Let's give the phone number over here. And let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number. And here we can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in Kids Toy. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our toy store. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, Kids Toy. Okay, now let us check this link also. And here I can find a toy store brochure which is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the toy store brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your toy store brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as How to Use WhatsApp for Marketing of Toy Stores. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your toy store brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating the connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we have created to capture the leads, the responses of the customers. So I'll just take you to the Facebook page here. So this is the Facebook page named Kids Toy and this is the Facebook lead ad form, that is Toys Catalog form. So let us select both of these in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the page name as Kids Toy. And here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created just single form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this lead generation form and we have to create a test lead over there just because after clicking on this option it is going to capture the recent response. So I'll just go to the form and here let us give the email address as 𝗏𝙗𝗪𝗏25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as 𝗏𝙗𝗪𝗏 and let us give the mobile number over here and let's click on next, submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now we have to go to Pabbly Connect and let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is 𝗏𝙗𝗪𝗏, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send WhatsApp message to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. For that we have to come to this action window and here in the application name we have to select 360 dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So let us go to 360 dialog account. This is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and we can find generate API key option. So you have to simply click on this option, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. As I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it once again. Now here the domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we are going to simply copy this example from here and we have to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection, I'll just go to this option, select existing connection, and I'll click on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, the same template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. For that, let us go to 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Now here you can find various templates which I have already created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, add template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. Here you can select the template type. And here you can give the template body text, that is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final template. This one, I'll just open it. Hello. Here number 1 is given. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here number 2 is given. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. So these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. Hello, here we want the name of the customer. So every time a new customer name is going to come in the message. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our toy store. You can give your toy store name over here. A link, your brochure link, your online flyer link can be mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your business name is going to come. So in this way, we are going to use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp, and the template name is send brochure final. So let us go to Pabbly Connect and let us find the same template over here. That is send brochure final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have got the customer details here from the Facebook lead ad forms. This is the customer phone number, mobile number, and this is the customer name. So we have to map these details now. So let us just scroll down, and here let us select the option from Facebook lead ads, and the mobile number is this. Let us map it. Now body field 1, example 𝗪𝗪𝗍𝗪. Here in the template, first parameter we require is the name of the customer. So let us map the customer name now from Facebook lead ads, and the customer name is Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, I'll just take the template. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your toy store name is going to come. So the toy store name is Kids Toy. So we have to give the same name over there in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just type the same name over here, that is Kids Toy. Now body field 3, example software. In the template, body field 3 is, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our toy store. So let us just type toy store here in body field 3, toy store. Now body field 4, link is required. Here in the template also we can find the link option. So I'll just take you to my Google Drive where I have uploaded the toy brochure. So I'll make a right click on this, and here we can find share option. Click on this, and here we can find get link option. Click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5, example a website address is mentioned, and here in the template also, for more details you can visit our website. So you can give your website address over here in the 5th body field. In place of website address, I'll just go to the Facebook page, and here I'll just copy the URL and I'll give the same URL over here. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. And here in the template also we require thank you, regards. Here your business name or your company name is going to come. So the business name is Kids Toy. We have to give the same name over here in body field 6 also. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. Now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can find a new message. Hello Shikha, thank you for showing your interest in Kids Toy. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure. So the same message that was there in the template, it is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here we can see the parameters, that is the values of the body fields. This was the first value, Shikha, the name of the customer. The second we have given was the business name. Third we have given was toy store. Okay. Fourth we have given was this link. Fifth we have given was this website address. And the last value we have given was this business name once again. So here we can see all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed here. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find the brochure, the Kids Toy brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. So now in this way we can see that the correct message and the correct brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and let us fill the form once again. So I have given the email address as akash44@gmail.com. I have given the full name as Akash Kapoor and I have given his phone number over here, the mobile number. And I'll just click on next, submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see a new message. Hello Akash Kapoor, thank you for showing your interest in Kids Toy. One of our team members will contact you shortly. The same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of Akash Kapoor also. Now let us recheck this link. And here we can see the toy store brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay, so now in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages along with the brochure link are going on the WhatsApp number of the customers. Now here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let us just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your toy store brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with a message. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.